Riding a bike is fun, healthy and gives you independence. But to stay safe, you need good riding habits every time you get on your bike. Bike safety isn't just about pedaling. It's about knowing the roads, traffic rules and picking safe routes. As you grow, you might want to ride by yourself or with friends, but if you're under 10, always ride with an adult. At this age, you're still learning how to make safe choices and the roads can be tricky to handle alone. From around 10 years and up, you might ride more independently, but remember to be confident and know the road rules. Always wear a properly fitted helmet. Wear bright clothes so people can see you. Stick to the footpaths or shared paths instead of busy roads. Walk your bike across the road. Avoid distractions such as music and headphones when crossing the road. Check your bike fits you properly. When you sit, your toes should touch the ground. And before every ride, check brakes, tyres, pedals, chain, lights and reflectors. Riding safely also means listening, looking and thinking as you ride. Parents, carers and schools can help too by planning routes together and joining bicycle safety programs. With the right skills, a proper helmet and smart habits, you can ride safely, have fun and enjoy every adventure on your bike.